Good morning, everyone. How are you? How are you? The day's so fast. It's already Tuesday. I'm thinking what we eat. Now, last week I bought I'm surprised of the talong here in Netherlands. So big. Very big talong. No? So we make torta today. With torta, so it should be grilled more tasty. We need to grill it and then, but it's not possible today, so we boiled it. I bought this one last week, guys. It's almost, I didn't have time to cook it. I eat by myself. So cook it before go to the garbage. No, I don't know how much I bought. This. Ito ang talong nila dito, guys. Kakaiba sa atin. Sa atin may green at saka purple. Ito mahahaba, payat. Ito mataba. Matabang talong. Matabang talong. So, put some ground pork on it. No? I put some ground pork. Yes, Lola. What can I help you, Lola? Shuka your bowl, Lola. Find your bowl, go. Want to play. Okay, we are done. We are done of the talong. We are done peeling the talong. Matabang talong. Ayan na siya, guys, oh. Ang nilagang talong. Not grilled talong, nilagang talong. Na ang talong. So, we slowly get from the pan, and there is, yan na po ang torta natin, ready to na sa kawali. Marami. So yan na ang pagkain ng husband ko. Nilutuan ko siya ng salmon. No. Ang akin ay matabang tortang talong. Yeah. Torta natin, guys. Tortang matabang talong. At ito naman ang salmon para sa my loving husband. Salmon. No? Yan na ang finished tortang talong natin. No? Smell good. Makakatakam. Ayan na. Ready to eat. Sa maraming kanin. Obiat! It's the obiat. What's obiat? This one. I have tortang talong and vegetables and rice. My love is salmon, stick salmon and vegetables and rice. Bon appetit! Smash nego. That's it. My husband tried the tortang talong.
It's really good.
Really? You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah, it tastes like normal cutlets from the meat.
There is a meat there, egg and eggplant,
Yeah.
bell pepper, onion.
Yeah, it's really,
That's it.
really good, man.
I'm happy that you like it. Maglakad ako sa aso. I'm going to walk with Lola. But look, I show you guys. Our neighbor has a lot of grapes. See? See? Over there. And they are pretty. No? Pretty grapes. It's cool. I like it. No, in only in the lanai. They call it lanai. Yeah, ang dami. Ang dami. It's cute. It's good luck also for the house if have. I think so. Because I remember our auntie every Christmas they buy grapes and they put in the bag, small bag, and hang on the door. Yeah, lots of grapes. Yes, mahangin dito guys. Maano ang panahon. Masama ang panahon, ang malamig.